How to add a timer on Google Forms. Hello guys and welcome to this new short tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a timer to a Google Form quiz. Right here we are on Google Forms and I have created a quiz. I'm going to see the quiz that I have created like this. This is the quiz of the day. I'm going to click on it simply, and here as you can see this is a quiz. Now for the most of the part, you are going to click on the add-ons. Here this is a add-on that we are going to add. Now we click on the three dots which are vertically more, and then I am going to add a add-on. Get add-ons. Right here I'm going to search for a specific add-on which is timer. I'm going to simply type timer. Then I will see the timers that are present on this area. Here you can see form a timer. I'm going to click on timer for Google Forms. Here I'm going to install this add-on and you will be good to go. Here I'm going to choose my account. A little disclaimer guys, everything created in this video such as email addresses, accounts are created for the sake of the video. Now I'm going to wait for the add-on to be installed. Right here we are done. I'm going to close this window and I will click on add-ons. Right here as you can see, timer for Google Forms. I'm going to click on it, click on open, and it will be working on the opening of the timer. Right here we have the app. I'm going for it to load up, and here we have the timer integrated in our quiz. I am going to wait for it until it will load. Here we have the timer settings, the allowed time. You can put hours, for example, or you can put minutes. It is up to you. I'm going to put 0, but because 0 it is not here a number, you cannot put it. I'm going to put only 30 minutes. You can put some instructions. This is a editable text case. You have a start and end or end dates. You can put it starts from at and ends from also at, and you can sync the response time in result sheet. And then when you finish everything, you can go ahead and click on preview right here and it will show you the timer. Here we have the quiz of the day. I'm going to put the name on here and the timer. When you click on start, the timer will be running. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you soon on the next one.